Welcome back, everyone. Going to be doing some spring cleaning on the 72 SS. What I mean by that, the car's been in this garage here. It's kind of dusty and dirty. Some of it isn't too bad like that, but there's other spots like that that are just, that's shiny paint under there, but it's just caked up. I need to do that so I can get ready to come in and detail where I've got some overspray and such. Yeah, little areas like this. Control arms, you can see. Nice layer of dust. Yeah. So we're going to clean that all up. I'm going to do it by hand and sit here and lay under it and scrub it and then hose it off. But I'm going to turn the camera off for now, and I'll bring you guys back when there's something to actually see. So, yeah. That duty water, for lack of a better explanation, and that's actually the second bucket. I've changed the water twice in this, so yeah. Anyhow, I'm gonna get the hose on the underside of the car off now. All right, so we're back. Everything's kind of cleanish. I'll get it up on the lift. I'll have to go over it again. I got a lot of detailing to do too. You can see blue overspray in the frame, so that's going to be taken care of. You can actually start to see, yeah, that frame rail of course needs to be sanded down and painted, but you can start to see some of the detail, like the shocks. You can see all the new parts that I put in the car. So always thought that tag was kind of a cool thing. See my drive shaft that I spent time, really, they were bare metal. I tried to find something paint wise that was, the Eastwood stuff was supposed to be, wasn't quite, but it'll do. And of course I put the stripes that designated that this was a LS5 454 car with a 4-speed. So that's how they knew which one to grab out of the bin, I'm told. So when these cars were being assembled. But yeah, you can see car actually has really nice original floors that aren't all hacked up. Hopefully all this will help when I list the car for sale 5-6 months from now. That's what my hope is, hopefully sooner. Yeah, I really like the car, but I kind of need to move on and simplify a little bit. As of right now, I have a truck, an SUV, 3 Chevelles, and a first-gen Monte Carlo. So it's a bit much, guys. It's excessive. So yeah, I don't know why. The paint on the harmonic balancer's looking all crappy, but again, something I'll have to attend to and clean up. But overall, everything's looking pretty good under there. I feel some sense of accomplishment that I got that done. Next is gonna try and maybe get that clutch adjusted a little bit better and put the wheels on this side and drop it back down on the ground. And I've kind of got to go through and wash the engine bay like I just did to the underside of the car. And then it's time to awaken it from its slumber. The car, last time I had it running, I think, was 2014. So I have turned the engine over by hand every once in a while, made sure it's good, but just the same, I'm gonna change the oil and all that good stuff, throw a fresh battery in it. I replaced the fuel tank while it was down and all the fuel lines, so I've got some fresh gas for it, non-ethanol. 88 octane, 5 gallons of that, and then I've got some, I think 110 leaded that I'm going to mix. Should be good. It's not a super high compression engine. They were rated 8.5 to 1 static back then. This one, I want to say, measured in right at around 9.6, so nothing crazy, but they don't have the efficient combustion chambers in these older heads like the newer ones. And it is an iron head big block at the end of the day, so not dissipating the heat like an aluminum head would. But that's all for now. Do a little bit more of an update once I have a lot more to show. Thanks for watching.